Carpet is out and wood is in. It's Hope Mims, broker with Mims Realty Group. I'm going to give you 4 renovations that will pay off big. Number 1, kitchen remodel. A kitchen renovation with upgraded appliances, new flooring, new counter, and cabinet handles will pay dividends. Number 2, window replacement. Your windows might be old and drafty. Buyers will notice, and so will appraisers. Number 3, finished basement. An unfinished basement can save you thousands when buying a home, but a finished basement can definitely increase the value of your home when selling it, and it becomes usable living space. Number 4, carpet is out and wood is in. Consider ripping that carpet up and installing wood or laminate floors. Buyers love wood floors, and that renovation will help you get top dollar. For more quick tips, follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and favorite our website at mimsrealtygroup.com. See you soon. Love, Hope.